Hey, what's up everyone? Today in this video I'm going to show you how to install One 8.5 3D fluffy widgets on your Galaxy device. So let's begin. Guys, actually recently I make video about liquid glass widgets and many people ask me about how to install 3D fluffy widgets on Galaxy device. So first guys, look at these. This is fluffy widget background. All type of background. Guys, these all PNG images download link available on description. Simply click and download and extract zip file on your Galaxy device. Now talk about how to create this fluffy 3D widget background. Then first I set all widgets on home screen like this. Now simply take screenshot and open Gemini. After open Gemini, simply select image and select this screenshot from gallery and describe image, convert these widgets into 3D fluffy widgets and search and wait for result and look at this result. Now simply save this image on gallery. After save, go to gallery. Now look at this image and first go to AI option and clean one by one all widgets like this. After clean, simply tap on erase. Now look at this, simply tap on save copy. Again go to edit and go to lasso and crop one by one all widgets background like this. Simply tap on next, tap on done and tap on save copy. And you also create these widgets fluffy background like this. But don't worry guys, I already create all fluffy widget background for you. Simply check out description and simply download and extract all these PNG images. Now let's talk about how to apply these PNG images and convert into widgets on home screen. First, remove all widgets. Now go to good lock. After go to good lock, simply go to home up. Enable home up, enable home screen and also enable DIY home screen. Now before start, go to gallery, open PNG images and if you want to set weather widget or any other widgets, then first go to edit option and increase sharpness for more 3D look on your fluffy background like this. Set 100% and simply save and copy. Now add first normal weather widget. Remember guys, choose same size. Now first set this widget like this and again set gallery widget and choose same size. Now select this PNG weather widget background like this and simply go to system weather widget setting and remove background. Now tap and hold, go to DIY and place this weather widget on this fluffy background like this. Select both fluffy background and now adjust front on this background your main weather widget like this. And guys, your 1.8.5 3D weather fluffy widget installed on your home screen. Look at this. You install all fluffy widget like this. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have enjoyed this video, then like, share and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching guys. See you next video. Bye bye.